How to remove ink stain from leather. If you just spilled ink on your white leather couch, do not panic. Act actually to remove the stain before it spreads. Ink stain on leather presents some difficulties, but none that you should not be able to master with a little DIY or professional help. Number 1. Determine whether your leather is naked or finished. Naked leather, being extremely absorbent and essentially untouched, is difficult to clean without professional help. Put a drop of water on the surface of the leather item. If the water soaks in, the leather is unfinished and will require professional assistance. Number 2. Determine the depth of the stain. If the ink stain is fresh and only on the surface of your leather item, being cleaning according to the step below. If the ink stain is older or have soaked deep into the leather, you will likely have to re-dry the leather professionally to remove the stain. Number 3. Read the care instruction for your leather if possible. The manufacturer may recommend a certain condition or cleaner to remove ink stain. They may also advise against doing something possible on the list that either would not clean the leather or will actively hurt it. Number 4. Spot clean an area before applying any of the following methods. Locate a small spot of the leather is an inconspicuous area using whatever solution you end up trying. Wipe a small amount into the leather and check for sign of damage or discoloration. What you are doing here is not checking that the solution is cleaning the leather. What you are rechecking is that the solution is not running the leather. Number 5. Try wiping the leather gently with the cloth dependent in a soap based cleanser. Soap based cleansers like ivory are gentler than solvent based cleansers, making them better suited for cleaning stains of a leather. How do you tell apart cleansers that are solvent based from those that are not? The packaging should clearly say solvent or solvent based. Is that not indeed the case? So be on the lookout. Number 6. Treat the leather with an ink stick designed for use with leather. Much of time when you take your leather items to a professional cleaner to get serviced, this is what they use to remove stain. Although they can pricey, it's not a nominate cost compared to what you probably paid for authentic leather. Number 7. Try boosting out some saddle soap. Saddle soap both cleaner and protects leather. Most often leather used in saddles, hence its name. Saddle soap is usually a combination of very gentle soaps and emollients such as glycerin and lanolin, which help rehydrate the leather after cleaning. Number 8. Try some leather cleaner and conditioners. Much like saddle soap, these products help both clean the leather and hydrate it, helping to stave off cracking. Although ink stain may be too tenacious for some leather, give leather cleaner and conditioner a try to see the difference it makes. Thanks for watching.